Well, good evening, everyone. It's Megan, and I'm going to take a few moments to discuss about how I use the Mendel desktop tool. First of all, I went ahead and just set it up through my Purdue account, just so everything lined up with my email and the password and all that good stuff. But as you can see on the desktop, I have three sources or articles I've put into my Mendeley top. And the first one, as you can see, I have stuff highlighted, and that's like a neat feature that Mendeley offers, I guess. And I think it's kind of good for us students to have the ability to do it. Is as we read, I know I'm the type of student that when I highlight something, it means it's very important. I can go back and look through it. So as you can see, I have some stuff highlighted that I think is going to be crucial for me to go back and like read more about or learn more about, or something that's going to be educational for students or my future endeavors, I guess. So I'm just going to show you how you can have that ability. So I'm going to click something if it'll let me. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to show you, just go up to highlighter, or highlight, I guess, and you just click on it and it highlights. So that's a very neat opportunity there. And then over here, you can actually go to this tab that says notes and type anything that is important. So it's just a really neat opportunity as well. Also, you have this tab called details, and you open that up and it has everything that you need to know about this article. The author, the journal name, the year it was issued, how many pages. Like, see, this one doesn't have pages. You don't have to worry about that. And this is where it comes hand in hand with the other assignment that we had for this badge. Is I'm going to go ahead and open that Word document, Mendeley, and it shows the screenshot that we have of the highlights and the notes that we had to put, and then adding all the information that was needed. So I'm going to go to reference, insert citation, and here's where all the stuff from the detail tab comes in handy. The author, title, journal name, year, pages. Like I said, some will not have pages and it will still work. So that's that. And then after I got all three citations in, I would hit bibliography, insert bibliography, and this is what it gives out, this right here. And that's really neat to have that ability as well. So that's just a neat access that we have with Mendeley. So I'm going to go back and show you my library. So I did that for two more articles that I thought would be very beneficial for me to have with the theme I've picked of animal management, and something that I truly believe is these articles will allow us as teachers to allow our students to be able to do this and be more self-learning, and we can give them the articles ourselves, and then they can go in and break it apart and figure out what pieces are important, and then we can come back as a group and see how different are everyone's thinking abilities of what is important, what did we take from that article. So I think that's a really neat ability to use within a classroom setting. But I'm actually going to take a minute to also explain how I got all these into Mendeley, because I'll be the first to admit it was kind of confusing to me at first too, but once you get a hang of it, it's very, very easy, and it's a very a handy tool as a student and as a teacher. So I'm going to go to Purdue Library, and I already have swine biosecurity. As you may know, as now I am very passionate in the swine industry, so a lot of my animal management is broken into swine biosecurity. So I've typed that in, hit search, and then I'm going to come down here and make sure that the articles are from peer reviews. So I'm going to click that, apply filter, and then let's see here. Right here is the one that's already in my Mendeley desktop, so I'm going to show you how I did that. So I'm going to hit download PDF. And then once this downloads, just look at it, make sure it's the one that you want. I always read the abstract and a little bit about the background, and sometimes it's either background or introduction, just to make sure it's like has to do something with my theme or something that I'm going to be interested in, and not just something that is an article that fell under that category. So then after I read a little bit about it, I actually go up to this little button up here, that's Mendeley import, and then it has to be able to download the PDF file if it's available. And then it is, so then I will just hit save, click that, and then since I already have that, I don't need to. But once I hit save, it will show up in your all documents. So that is a little bit about how you use the Mendeley desktop. I hope it cleared some up, and thank you.